Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic solution for growing tomatoes outdoors, the MQFORU tomato planter with Trellis. If you're looking to maximize your gardening space and produce healthy tomatoes, this might just be the perfect match for you. Stick around as we explore its features, benefits, and how it stacks up against other options on the market. Let's kick things off with what makes this planter stand out. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, the MQFORU tomato planter is a versatile solution for growing climbing vegetables like tomatoes, peas, or even flowers. Its integrated trellis system provides excellent support as your plants grow, ensuring they reach their full potential without sprawling. One of the standout features here is the self-watering system. This planter comes equipped with a built-in reservoir that maintains consistent hydration levels for your plants. It utilizes a smart grid design that allows roots to access water as needed, reducing the risk of over or underwatering. This means less maintenance for you and healthier plants throughout the season. Crafted from high-quality PP material, the MQFORU planter is both durable and weather-resistant. It's built to withstand outdoor conditions, ensuring longevity even when exposed to rain and sun. The assembly is hassle-free, requiring no tools, just align and snap the pieces together. Plus, it's easy to disassemble for convenient storage during the off-season. What I love about this planter is its flexibility. You can adjust the height and configuration of the trellis to suit your plant's growth stages. Whether you're starting with a single layer or building up to multiple tiers, the MQFORU adapts seamlessly. It's a great space-saving option for balconies, patios, or any outdoor garden. Now, let's talk practicality. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this planter simplifies the growing process. It's perfect for urban dwellers or anyone with limited garden space. You can enjoy fresh tomatoes or other vegetables year-round, moving the planter indoors during colder months to extend your growing season. As we wrap up, the MQFORU tomato planter with trellis has proven itself to be a reliable choice for outdoor tomato gardening. From its robust construction to the thoughtful self-watering system, every aspect is designed to enhance your gardening experience. Whether you're looking to grow tomatoes, peas, or flowers, this planter offers versatility, durability, and ease of use. If you're interested in giving your tomato plants the best possible start, I've included the link to this product in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.